everybody, it's Miss Hamlet here. We are going to play a game today, and this game requires you to do lots of very good listening. So I want you to listen very, very carefully. You're going to close your eyes and you're going to listen to the sounds that you can hear. I'm going to make lots of different noises and you have to guess what the noise is. Are you ready for the first one? Okay, close your eyes. No peeking. Here's the first one. Ooh, what do you think it was? Tell the person next to you. After 3, you're going to tell me what you think that noise was. I'm going to do it one more time. Ready? Okay, you ready? What do you think that noise was? 1, 2, 3. If you said it was me scrunching up paper, you were correct. Well done.
Hi everybody, it's me, Miss Natalia, missing you guys so much. Are you ready to guess that noise? Okay, close your eyes. No peeking. Ready? Okay, here we go. Okay, now open. Tell the person next to you what you think that noise was. Now tell me. Okay. If you guessed it was a hoover, you are correct.
Okay, are you ready for the next sound? Listening carefully. Close your eyes. What do you think that was? Tell the person next to you. Okay, after 3, you're going to tell me what that noise was. 1, 2, 3. If you said that was the sound of somebody knocking on the door, you were correct. Well done.
Hey guys, do you have your listening ears on? Are you ready for your next sound? What do you think this is? Have you guessed it? What do you think I'm doing? What sound is that? It's mixing! Mixing the biscuit for my cheesecake. Yummy.
Okay guys, are you ready for the next one? Close your eyes. No peeking. Ready? Okay, and one more time. Okay, now tell the person next to you what you think that sound was. Now tell me. If you guessed it was a doorbell, you are correct.